for a jump. If I'm done,
Hello viewers, you are welcome to the enthronement of His Royal Highness von Aben Henry Aben Fon of Kruku Village on the 27th March 2015 at Kruku. Stay tuned, these are live images magnetic by Fonchan and Sound Photo Video Studio. Thank you.
Well, good evening. Happy. I'll be very glad for seeing and with my brothers where they come from other villages. I will teach you, I will be a one. And I am very happy to see them. I beg me go ahead, please run for. I just come for you, for fun. Now this. I want fun this today. For the people, it's very good. I come here, I will talk some talks where sometimes one will put me. But the talk now, very good talk where everyone will get something. Taiwan, because of the thing where I come for gift for my phone. The time where with Papa, baby, and I will talk to me. And from there, the brother for him made some mistakes of which you people to don't keep quiet. We are not make any problem. And God will give me all. And we make and say, make that become for that brother where they make that kind of thing. We die quickly. And we do like that. So I beg, say, the one way God be walk, thank God for that one. That way, I be make a good school. Don't go school, don't be now, I think that's standard fact. I will appeal for one. Say me, I don't vex. Say me, you not finish. You not finish. That's good. Me will agree. Say me, as I will give one. Me will give a chance. May you go complete this I'm very thankful about for one.
Don't cross like that, Master.
As we are not great, so we got too great. In some way, we are happy with him. We will allow him to go complete that in school. Let me come back for standard 7, standard 6, secondary school, we will complete them. So I'm very happy to God will be when I do accept so. My good friends and my woman, I'm very happy to see as you are done, camp very thickly populated now, to glad with my farm. That became a guy when I found the Japan 90s. So God help we remain small before rainfall. So I know we'll talk plenty. Anyway, the small church where we are there, where I talk, may we all praise here, may this begin remain, may God give long life. So they be performed about 600 years. Meanwhile, always pray. Say God because you are very happy with him. And when we were there for town, meanwhile, take myself very peacefully. And the 20 now quarter head for you away again. They will stop, they will have the equity way go remain and to always do things where he ought to do and where he never come back. May God bless, may God finish school before he take over from that quarter head. May the quarter head or the equity, may he do everything, may he consider God to. Another thing for talk for one, if we say, may God give a long life and make my begin to may be very long life too. And all our heart may be one. And may one another make things way in the hope. May God bless one.
C'est la volonté de Dieu qui est en train de s'accomplir.
the Honorable Senator. I'm sure today he is more of President of Northwest Fund Union than Senator. All traditional rulers here present, invited personalities, ladies and gentlemen. It is a shared honor for me and the population of Batibo subdivision to join the people of Kuruku village this day to be officially presented the new traditional ruler of Kuruku and to officially celebrate the start of the reign of His Royal Highness. Is it not often said, the chief is gone, the chief has come, long live the chief? Thus, tradition has once again been respected. Permit me start by thanking the population of Kuruku for their massive mobilization and all those who have come, and to thank them for welcoming us today. I equally want to thank in a special way all those who have made it possible for this very important ceremony to take place. My heart goes to John, the former Vice President of the Development Association, to whom Kuruku village meant everything. May his gentle soul rest in peace to see what he had hoped for come to pass in his beloved village. For their show of maturity during the period of absence of their traditional ruler. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today to witness the official enthronement of the Hens Fund of Kuruku. A good number of persons may be asking the question, why this administrative? I wish to reply that it is a tradition that anyone with authority should be officially presented to the public. A traditional ruler has a pivotal role in the development and progress of his village by virtue of his central position, and so it is but normal. It is also an administrative tradition that new officials should be introduced in an official and solemn manner because they are an integral part of the administration of Cameroon under the Ministry of Territorial Administration. So to those who have a misconception about this ceremony, they should come to reason. The authority of His Royal Highness remains intact as he remains the custodian of culture and tradition in Kuruku village. 7/245 of 16 July 1977 has organized communities into traditional chiefdoms. These chiefdoms normally bear the names given to them by tradition. It is true that the law empowers the competent authority to confer a new name to the chiefdom if need be. Accordingly, chiefdoms are placed under the authority of a chief, otherwise called Fon in the Northwest region. The chief is assisted in his duty by a council of elders set up according to local tradition. chiefs are chosen from families called upon to exercise traditional customary authority, call it FON, was chosen for Kuruku village some months back. Reason why we are all gathered here today to officially present him to the people of the subdivision. The FON of Kuruku village is His Royal Highness Aben Henry Aben Awa. Since this might not be the name he will choose, is it not often said, is it not even obvious that all children know their parents? Why then talk to a child about the father whom he or she knows so well? His Royal Highness Aben Henry, bear with me that I use this opportunity to give you some recommendations that should remind you of some of your duties, obligations, and rights as a traditional ruler in Cameroon. These recommendations do not have anything to do with tradition and culture, because that is your exclusive domain. According to the decree which I mentioned earlier, it organizes chiefdoms in Cameroon. The decree states that the chief, FON, when I say chief, I mean FON, must reside in the area under his rule. Must, not say may, must is the first constraint you will have to deal with. You shall hence be under the authority of the Ministry of Territorial Administration and Decentralization, and your role shall be to assist the administration in guiding the people of Kuruku village. As an auxiliary of the administration, you shall hence perform the following duties: transmit the directives of the administrative authority to your people and ensure that such directives are fully implemented. Help as directed by the divisional officer in the maintenance of law and order, in ensuring that economic, social, and cultural development of ensuring the social, cultural development of the village. You shall be expected to carry out any prompt mission that may be assigned to you. May I say here that auxiliary of the administration does not carry any derogatory connotation. With the end of indirect rule, traditional rulers were associated to the administration of the Republic. That was how their role in the administration was termed auxiliary. We know, even for very strong vehicles, auxiliary gear is used when the vehicle is stopped.
And natural rulers. Their area of competence is clearly defined. As such, there should be no conflict of authority. The lines are very clear and just need to be respected for a good working relationship to exist. And custom, you, His Royal Highness Aben Henry, may settle disputes or arbitrate in matters arising between your subjects.
This should be with the exclusion of criminal matters and where the laws and regulations do provide otherwise. This means that disputes that have to do with laid down texts should not be handled at your level. Such issues include major or minor theft, killing, assault, and land disputes. Know that in the discharge of your duties, you will be protected by the state. This protection shall be against threats, contempt, assault, interference, abuse, or defamation to which you may be exposed to in the course of performing your duty. For no one to have an excuse, the law provides that you should wear a distinctive attire to distinguish yourself from other citizens at all times. Your Royal Highness, let me give you this advice as you take up the challenge of administering Kuruku. The greatest dream of a community is to make their village a perfect place to live in. For this reason, you are expected to have powers. This means that you should have the ability and the capacity to control circumstances as well as the destiny of the village. Do not mistake this for witchcraft. As a traditional ruler, you shall be expected to have the ability of mind to think what nobody thinks, to see what nobody sees, and to produce what has never existed in this village. What a task. As a traditional ruler, you shall be expected to involve yourself in all the cultivation, activation, and edification of the human potentials of Kuruku for the purpose of maximum productivity. As the form, you shall be expected to constitute the core of this community. This will not mean that you should be the sole participator in development, as it has often been misunderstood by many other traditional rulers. You shall be expected to evolve and match with the new trends. Kuruku should from today be seen to be experiencing progressive development more than ever before. You shall be expected. You shall be expected to help your subject to develop their mentality positively. And how best can you do this if you do not have a better one? Your Royal Highness, you must have noticed that I have talked a lot of expectations. They will determine whether you are a great ruler. I cannot forget to tell you that as traditional ruler, do not be influenced or manipulated by any of your subjects. I need not tell you what will happen should it occur. Dear people of Kuruku, now let me advise you. Village development should not only be the responsibility of the traditional ruler. Yes. It should be the concern of all the villagers and the elite. Experience has shown that villages that have attained a greater level of development are those where the chiefs, the villagers, and the elite are united in their vision. The elite of Kuruku in particular should therefore be independent thinkers. It is by so doing that they shall always think positively of their village. By trying to dominate the others will only lead to failure. The villagers, like the elite, should have the desire to carry out developmental projects without strings. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot end without talking about the difficult moment our beloved country is passing through. Our soldiers are fighting to defend our country. We should defend ourselves. I will therefore instruct that the fund and the population of Kuruku report any strange person or any strange action or activity by anybody. A vigilant committee should be put in place to help in maintaining security in the village. This vigilant committee, which should not take itself for the law, should work under the supervision of the forces of law and order and on the instructions of the divisional officer. Added to this, I would like to advise our children who are bike riders. The consumption of drug, especially tramadol, is suicidal. When you consume this drug, your actions are retarded. In the days to come, a meeting shall be held where medical doctors shall talk to you people about the consumption of drugs of all types. We are tired of seeing you, the youth in particular, die out of recklessness. That said, population of Kuruku, their Royal Majesties, Service Head, I hand to you the fund of Kuruku village.
Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the...
You shall hence know him and respect him as such. God bless you as you rule over Kuruku village. God bless us all. God bless our beloved Cameroon. Thank you.
Hey, the bomb by no say before by bon. Gaga putting on one by a tram of phone. Hey! And at the end of one, did I get normal? If I can't, we have a bread on the corporation. Hey! What am boy I get? What woman now? What member Baban? The other one and if you go, but you can take member by you to work again. Yeah, Gugu. If I jump, if I'm back, Gambo, my besi. Baga kwa budie. Daga mu yakwa fa briwa no mu nani. Ya fa na go mu yakwa ga joku fa bi paji. Joku fa bi pa ni jiga pa gu shiganga. Aka ya go ta we jiga mo cho ta mo ma mo no ga ti no nani. Tiga bo mu yakwa ga ya kamo. Hey, we are going to go one more blessing, babe.
Oh!